Hey everyone, Scott Helms here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's Bennington dealer. Today I'm standing in front of a 2026 Bennington 22 SSR. This boat is a tritoon with our Sports Performance Systems tritoon package. It has a Yamaha SHO super high output 175 horsepower motor. This is the sunset red color. This color's been brought back. It was gone for several years. So glad they brought it back. It's a beautiful color. It has a nice metallic in it too that really makes it pop on the water. This boat also has our blackout package. The SSR series is loaded with a ton of really great standard features that I'm going to show you. Starting off with the built-in dock lights and navigation lights. Those are LED as well. Coming around to the back of the boat, you've got a nice swim platform off the back, ski tow bar. Here's the 175 horsepower Yamaha show engine I was telling you about. And we've got a nice aluminum boarding ladder to get up inside. Speaking of inside, let's hop in and take a look. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me inside. This boat has our Dolce interior base color with the platinum Syntex accents. I really love the cutout back here. It has a great spot to keep your cell phone, your bags, your purse, your sunscreens, built-in cup holders, and a little tray to hold your phone as well. This boat has a removable bow table. Going to the console here, the console's loaded with features. First, I like how they put the throttle right down alongside you for an easy, comfortable position. It's got a tilt steering wheel. We have a Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo, a Garmin GPS right here. Got a nice little wireless phone charger located down and out of the sun, and a little glove box down here to keep some valuables in while you're going up to the restaurant for lunch. This seat also will recline and swivel. It has flip up and down armrests. This boat has our stern radius seating arrangement, so we have the captain and co-captain's chairs with the same benches in the front and the rear to give you a really great social seating arrangement that will hold lots of people. It also comes with a 10-foot long bimini top and a full boat cover. Love to show you this boat in person and all the other features it has to offer. Please come by and see us at MarineMax Greenville.